All right, everyone. So I'm just making this video to update everyone that I will be working on solutions to Griffith's Electrodynamics textbook. And I already have a few on my channel, but I think only like 10 or 20 compared to the other textbooks. I have a lot more. So I'm going to work to bring up the numbers for this textbook as well. So it's a textbook that basically every undergrad in physics is going to use. The problems are challenging, but I think they're also enlightening and give you a greater understanding of the physics behind it. So it's a great textbook. A lot of people work through it. And what I would really like from you guys is to suggest what problem solutions you would like to see. If there's a very particular exact problem, or if there's a type of problem or a chapter or anything like that, you can just let me know in the comments here or on Discord or what have you. And I'm going to try to pump out hopefully about a video a day. I'm a little sick right now, so I took a bit of a break, but I'm going to try to do at least one video a day, and every other day or so, one of these will be a problem out of the electrodynamics textbook. So if you could please do that, please subscribe to stay up to date every time that I do post a solution here. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, thank you.